Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix NexusPay to bKash transfer not working. So let's first start with the first step, which is to identify the error. So when a transfer fails, NexusPay shows a transfer failed screen with an error code. So just take note that the error details including the amount, charge, and possible reason listed like network timeout, bKash server maintenance, or insufficient balance. So this information helps diagnose the issue. Next step is you have to check your internet connection. So to do that, just go to your phone settings, tap on the network and internet, and just ensure that your Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on and connected. Now you can also run a speed test to confirm your connection is stable for at least 5 Mbps recommended. So you can also toggle your airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection if needed. Next up is you can also update the NexusPay app. So open your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for NexusPay. And if an update button is available, you have to tap it to install the latest version. So outdated versions may have bugs that cause transfer failures. So you just have to wait for the update to complete and then try retrying again. Next is go ahead and clear the NexusPay app cache. So go to the settings, tap on apps, tap on the NexusPay, and then tap on the storage. And then from there, you can see the clear cache button. So this one will remove the temporary data that may be causing issues. So this won't delete your account data or settings. So the cache size is like, for example, 45 MB will reset to 0 after clearing. Lastly is relink your bKash account. So if the issues persist, then go to the NexusPay settings, tap on the linked accounts, find your bKash account and tap on the relink account to refresh the connection. So this is re-establishes the link between NexusPay and bKash, which can fix authorization related transfer failures. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!